What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a Worx work table. I was making sure I didn't get tongue twisted. Anyways, this thing holds up to 300 pounds. And that's crazy because it's a portable work table. I mean, it's like the legs don't seem that strong, but the box is pretty heavy. So I decided to get this, and I got this from points rewards from my job. So it was free, but they do have it on Amazon, and I will drop a link below in the description box, and that way you can check it out for yourself. You see, you guys, if you do good work at your job, you may be able to get some points if your job does a point program. I think my job going to stop because this is probably expensive trying to keep up with points. All right. Portable work table, you guys. Fresh out the box. Let's go ahead and take the first thing that comes out. Well, the first thing that stands out is the table. All right. So we have legs right here. All right. We got legs on this side. Oh, that's it? No screws? No screws, you guys. Oh, wow. What about instructions? I guess the instructions are on here. And I'll take photos of this and show y'all. Okay, so you have latches right here. It says 2 links. Okay, lift that up. Okay, you lift that. Okay, that opens up like that. Okay, so this is one piece. Oh, so it's that simple? So you have the flat side right here. And then you have the side with these pegs. You see these pegs that twist? So we're going to make sure these pegs are lined up how they're supposed to be. So you see how they lined up with the orange? You see how you move it? You see that orange right there? I'm going to keep it lined up for now. Let's see what happens. All right. All you do is fold it out. All right. So y'all can see. So these are on very thin metal. So I have them all the way out. All right. Now we got this. Does this lock? So we got rubber pads right here. I don't know if these are supposed to come off, so I might leave it on. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. All right. Yep. Okay, so we in that hole right there. We in this hole right here. We in this hole. This is a work table. All right, so when you in the holes, you can easily turn and lock it. Turn and lock it. Turn and lock it.
Like that.
Yep. So let's see. Is the floor flat? Okay, so it's not wobbling. That means our floor is level. And it says it holds up to 300 pounds. Go ahead, take a seat. And let's see if it breaks.
If it breaks, I'll blame it on you.
You gonna blame it on me?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And then I'm gonna sue you.
Oh, y'all heard that? My own son. He said he's taking me to court.
Yep.
I don't know with what money, but he's taking me to court.
With my $10.
With his $10 lawyer. All right, so there you go. It holds 300 pounds. Let me see. All right, you guys. So my fat self now got to go start working out. I weigh about 215. And the table is good, you guys. The table is good, right? This table is good. Nice and portable. I can do my reviews, outside reviews.
A ruler on it.
Yep, it has its own ruler. And matter of fact, let me bring y'all down because we're about to end the review.
I'm gonna go make my sandwich.
Okay. All right, you guys. So the table is here. I have to say that I like this table, you guys. All right. So right here, you have 2x4, 2x8, 2x10, 2x6, 2x8, 2x4. You have your measurements. So there goes all your measurements right there. All right. And then same thing on this side. Now, if you want to carry it outside, of course you have to lift it up and everything. But these orange parts right here, once I figure out what these orange pegs for, it says clamp dogs. Oh, you pull it out. So you pull it out and then you can put it up here to clamp down. Okay.
What do these do?
They're little clamps.
What's a clamp?
Like if you have a piece of wood or something, then you see how it says 2x8? You can lay a piece of wood flat and clamp it.
Oh.
It won't clamp, but it holds it in place. So if you had a piece of flat wood right here, then you can just have it there and then make your cut. So that way it don't move. All right, you guys, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.